I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the tires here on your Toyota Tundra. I have a 2007 and a 2020. But what you want to do is go ahead and get your jack from under your seat. So this is on the passenger side, the back passenger side. So what you want to do is go ahead and pull the jack out, and you also have your extender brackets that you need back here. So that's your lug wrench and the extensions. So it's kind of hard to get out of there, but you stick your hand in there and you remove the lug wrench and the extensions. And I'm going to show you what's in there. And like I said, the 2007 and the 2020, it's pretty much the same. So what you want to do is go ahead and put these together. So that's the lug wrench right there to take out the lugs. And if you haven't taken a tire off in a long time, you probably need a Braco bar. You can get those at Harbor Freight or anything for probably about $30 or $40. But you snap everything into place. And once you get those snapped into place, you're going to look in the back of your truck and you're going to see that hole right above the license plate. You see right there. So you stick the extension in there and it'll slide into a slot. So you may have to shine a light under there, especially if you're doing it at night, but it'll fit right into the slot. On my Toyota Tundra, it's that oval shaped part, but on this 2020 is the oval shaped part, but my 2007 has a little square bracket you can slide it into. So this is my 2020. So once you get it in, you want to turn it counterclockwise. And if it's the first time coming off, I haven't taken this thing down since 2020, since I purchased. I never took it down. So sometimes it's better to take these off just to check it and see if you got the right pressure, if it haven't dry rotted. But what you want to do is turn it counterclockwise to take it off, take the spare tire off. Once you get the spare tire off, I'm going to zoom under here so you can see what it looked like. This one is a chain. You see that little slot right there? Like I said, you turn it counterclockwise to bring it down. You want to bring it down a little further so you can slide this out. And once you slide it out, you can just bring your tire out and just inspect your tires. So once you bring your tire out, you want to go ahead and loosen up your lug wrenches on your tire before you lift it up off the ground. And then you take your jack and put it under here, and make sure you put some chocks under here in the front and back. Safety is always first. If you need to use an extra jack, you can. And my vehicle have been lifted by 3 inches, so this jack is tall enough, but if you need to, you can always put a piece of wood or a piece of metal under it so you can get more height out of your jack. But once you get it stationary right there, that's where you want to jack it at. You want to turn it clockwise to lift the vehicle up. So I'm turning this clockwise, and you're going to see the vehicle start lifting off the ground. Like I said, you want to be careful. Make sure you got the front chocks on, and also put your brakes on, emergency brakes, so that your vehicle don't roll, or put it in a flat position or on a flat ground, not at a slope. So once you keep turning it clockwise, it's going to bring the vehicle up. Like I said, this vehicle have been lifted 3 inches. I didn't think the jack was going to be high enough, but when I finished jacking it all the way up, it was off the ground about 6 inches from the bottom of my tires. So once you do that, take your tire off and change it, and then you bring your jack back down. You want to turn it counterclockwise to lower it. And once it's lowered, that's all you have to do. But you probably want to do this maybe twice a year and just check your spare tire. Make sure it got air in it, nothing happened, because you hate to get in a situation where you're trying to change your tire and the spare is no good. Alright, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day.